Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The successful completion and subsequent commissioning of the significant 6.7-kilometer Iko-Atabrikan Opolong Okoretip Iwochan Road, along with a 600-meter-long bridge in Ibuna local government area of Akwa Ibom State, is a confirmation of what the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) can achieve working under the right atmosphere and with the right personnel. Apart from being a triumph for the NDDC, it was also a triumph for the capacity of indigenous Niger Delta contractor Viche Nigeria Limited, which had to confront the very difficult Niger Delta terrain of mangrove swamps and virgin forest to deliver a world-class road and bridge project. Viche Nigeria Limited is an indigenous construction firm owned by Imo State-born Niger Delta business mogul, Chief Tony Chukwu. The company, which has successfully constructed and delivered several road and bridge projects across the Niger Delta, was saddled with the extremely difficult challenge of constructing the 6.7-kilometer Iko-Atabrikan Akata Opolom Ikorinwang Okoretip Iwochang Road and 600 meters bridge. The contract was awarded in 2003 at an initial cost of 2.8 billion naira. The project was supposed to link several communities in Ibuna local government area and Eastern Obolo local government area, which were cut off from each other by the uncompromising Kwa Ibo River. It was a contract other indigenous companies had turned down due to the very difficult terrain in the area. However, engineers from Viche Nigeria Limited rolled up their sleeves and embraced the challenge. The managing director of Viche Nigeria Limited, Samuel Urohi, says the company confronted the difficult mangrove swamps and the Kwa Ibo River and successfully conquered both to deliver the project.
We started with clearing the swamp boogie. It was a heavy job to be done in that place. So we got all the necessary equipment, and when we got to the bridge zone, piling started. That nature of job, which maybe a company like Julius Berger and all those are the only people can do it. When they saw the way we were moving, no loss of life all through the period. And today, if you go to that place, in fact, you won't believe that it was an indigenous contractor that constructed that road, did that bridge. The bridge very solid, and we are proud to be the contractor that completed that project.
Former Managing Director of the NDDC during the early stages of the construction of the project, Senator Emmanuel Agwariawodo, while visiting the project on inspection at that time, praised Viche Nigeria Limited for an excellent execution of the project.
This road project that you are saying, and the contractor has had to excavate up to 7 meters of mud before sand filling. So what you are standing on right now is 7 meters high of sand. So it's a lot of work. And this is a local contractor, 100% Nigerian, and we're very proud of the work he's doing.
While constructing the road and bridge, Viche Nigeria Limited also used the opportunity to empower many Niger Delta youths with skill set as it trained them on carpentry, metalworks, and other skills.
The local labor we had there, majority are from the community. Some of them even learn the work there, carpentry work, iron bending. Today, many of them today are working in different big places. And they always make reference to that bridge. We work in that bridge.
The project, which has made life extremely comfortable for people in the area and boosted the socio-economic activities for the people, is being seen as a true manifestation of the dreams and aspirations of the Niger Delta people. The construction work is being commended not only by the NDDC and the community people in the area, but also by President Bola Tinubu, who was represented at the commissioning of the project by the Senate President, Senator Godswill Akpabio.
600 meters of bridge is not a small thing, passing through the ocean. This, I can say, is an engineering feat. So I must also congratulate the company that undertook this venture.
For Chief Tony Chukwu, a People Knight and chairman of Viche Nigeria Limited, who is popularly known as Onwegi Ihe Kariri Chineke, the commissioning of the project was indeed a confirmation of the capacity, efficiency, and professional expertise of the indigenous construction giant Viche Nigeria Limited. He gave thanks to the Almighty God for the feat achieved by the company.
The project was difficult, honestly, and that's the first time my company is building up to 600 meters bridge, and we thank God we were able to complete it.
Viche Nigeria Limited is the first indigenous company to construct a bridge across a river spanning 600 meters in the Niger Delta. No doubt, with his experience, Viche Nigeria Limited will continue to successfully tackle the difficult terrain in the Niger Delta as it gets more jobs in which hopefully it will replicate the success story of the project in Akwa Ibom State.
Inside the Niger Delta,